while other universities are using outdated equipment, obsolete.
My grammar is too cascatic.
Yes, sir.
Obsolete equipment to train medical students, turning some into conductors, even native doctors rather than doctors. Come, let me take you on a tour to a university in Abuja that uses latest version of medical equipment, latest that you cannot find in any university, to train the medical students and other allied health students. They also have faculty of law here and faculty of computing and environmental science. If you see the standard of their lecture room, my God. My name is MC Miti, your favorite Abuja tour guide. You guys know that whatever I tell about this town is so true, born out of digging deep research. You can take to the bank, but you can never withdraw. Welcome to Margaret Lawrence University. Here, bring it back. Here. My God. This is Paul Odele College of Medicine. Look at it. Lulu Secondus. Second to none. And in this place, they have the faculty of basic medical sciences and the department of anatomy. If you see their machines, they also have medical biochemistry and human physiology. In fact, let me even check my own heart if I start to check other places. Oh. Precious, don't break up.
Jesus.
Can you see the amoeba now? You can see it, right? Nice. This is the histology laboratory. Look at it. This the amazing thing about this place, that all the students have their own microscope. You see, not the one that they're telling you to imagine a gem. No, you are seeing it. This is the hydra-headed teaching microscope. You can hardly find it in other universities where the teacher is, come this way. The teacher is looking into the microscope. Look at it. And the students are looking into the microscope and you can project it. Look at it. You understand what I taught you, right? Yeah. Thank you. This is the digital anatomy room. You can see it. This is the anatomy table version 11. The latest version, the Citadel. You can't find this version anywhere.
The lesser sac or omental bursa is an extension of the peritoneal cavity behind the stomach. It communicates with the general peritoneal cavity through the epiploic foramen at the right extremity of the lesser sac.
Now this is the normal heart, like I taught you guys, right?
Yes.
You see how the heart is? This is the heart. You are seeing the natural. This is the heart that has not been broken. When they break your heart, it will beat faster than this. So you need to concentrate. You guys understand, right? Yes, now this is the gross anatomy lab. When students are done with that digital place, they will come here to do it practical. Inside that place, we have cadavers. So you want to see it? It's not on my page. My God. This is the community medicine museum. Look at it. You see? Look at it. Infectious disease control. Now, these students are being taught on infectious disease. They have been taught on the history of even those who have contributed to medicine. You can see them here. Look at. Now, this is the epi.
I am Muguliti.
You can see it yourself. Look at it. Come, let me show you more of this. This university is located inside River Park Estate in Lugbe. They also have a standard university teaching hospital. That's the Margaret Lawrence University Teaching Hospital. This is our faculty of law. Look at it. Ubi Juice EB.
This man.
Remedum. Look at the beautiful Lady Justice. Look at how she is. Now come, let's go inside. Look at it. Look at how sweet this place is. The faculty of law. You can see it. If you see our lecture rooms, come into the lecture rooms. Look at. My God. Tell me, if they are not that one that they are teaching you jurisprudence and it's as if they are busting your head. No, when they are teaching you jurisprudence here, it will be prudently taught. Welcome to the mute court. Now, I'm just coming out from the judge's chamber. You can see the mute court. We also have the law clinic and the auditorium.
My lord, man.
You may never. This is the law e-library. Look at it. Very sophisticated with 24 hours internet for the students. Now this is the main library filled with books. You see the books? You see the different laws. This was the same thing that made me to run away from this course. Too many books to read. So do you have any child or ward that want to study law and you want to give them the best foundation for this course? Bring them to Margaret Lawrence University today. Am I right?
Yes.
This is the Faculty of Computing and Environmental Sciences. And that side, we have the mini-mart where they shop, they buy things, They also have a standard male and female hostel. Standard. Of course, you know that all work and no play makes Jack a dull boy, and that's why this university provides their students with a standard pitch where they will exercise themselves and play. What are you waiting for? Call these numbers on your screen right now and bring down your word to this amazing school that provides you with international standard of education. Watch this and learn from the professional.
Dissolve!
Jesus, what a useless game.